Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to insert a bar race chart on your canvas sheets on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a bar race chart on your canvas sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, select the data you just need to create as a bar race chart on your canvas sheets. Then you just need to click on the chart option on the side, and then you just need to scroll down to select the bar race chart. Here you have the two different chart, like single color bar race or bar race. I just going to click on the single color. So if you just need to select the data first, so here you're just going to select the data, or you can just select this data, or you can just select all the data. You can say just selected. Now you can just play it, so it shows the data range by using the bar race, and you can also customize the color. So there's a two different type of bar race chart. This is another type, so you can just place it wherever you just need it, and you can just easily customize it. You can just add more items, like it have a 12 items here. So this is how you just create a bar race chart on your canvas sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.